All right, welcome out to today's advisory report. It is August 28th, 2026. We are holding the market gauges all green, although not the best of days. Not really the type of action you want to see after tomorrow's decisive move up. You can see some returns on the day as S&P 500 is down 0.23. Add a little bit of exposure to the ultra aggressive, hanging in there at 85% of the target. Offense, everything else is still playing offense. Let's jump on into the charts. The intermediate trend, looking at a weekly chart of price versus the 30-week moving average. No problems here. Things are still looking good. Just maybe another consolidation being built above that previous consolidation, which has been most a story now for 2026 after a dip down and a rip up. Now just consolidating gains. Let's jump over to the short-term trend, see what the story is telling us there. You can see here we have the rip up, the move sideways, a fake breakout as it fails, support around the 20-day tightening action. This is all positive at this point, a breakout, even more positive. But you can see this high wick, a lot of sellers up here as price moved into new highs, but still closing above yesterday's low, which is still positive, rising 20-day above that. So we got to keep everything positive right now. Hopefully we get maybe some turnabout on Monday after the weekend. We could still have a little bit more of a pullback back into the 20-day and then a rip higher. Lots of options right here. Everything's staying bullish. Let's jump into Market Lens and check out some of the positions we have in the ultra aggressive account. Let's go ahead and start with CrowdStrike. An amazing day yesterday, ripping up over 20%. Some pullback today, but you can see buyers came in at the bottom to push the close back up. This is looking positive. I'm looking to see if maybe we get another inside day and up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, see what kind of happens there. Palantir, and we can see here a move higher, adding on some confirmation from yesterday, but later in the day, a push back down. Still looking very, very positive. Good play there. DRAM, the memory sector or memory group ETF, loaded with a bunch of memory stocks. This is a good proxy for that total area of the market. And we can see a move out yesterday, pulling back in. We bought some and then a little bit of move down. You can see I drew this little bit level of a triangle here forming, lower level support, bounced off of that and came back. So just some indecision. Like we said, this is probably going to struggle a little bit as it's below the 50-day. We're just looking to get into it before it possibly goes. So positioning there is okay. IBIT, a pullback of about 3%. We added to this today. Also on the pullback, it's still kind of holding in that range. Still wouldn't be surprised if we pull back a little bit more, as this was a pretty good rip up. HPE, you can see here a move up that was sold yesterday and then continued selling today. We have earnings on the 2nd, so we'll have to see how that range looks coming in to Monday and then Tuesday. And then Hinge down 6%, very disappointing, but still, if you kind of draw a little bit of a channel, still playing with the channel, holding above the 20-day. So we'll have to see if we can get an inside day Monday, Tuesday, and then a turn back up. That's what we got for you today. Take care. Have a wonderful afternoon. We'll be right back at it next.